Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make main course from North. The name of the recipe is cream chicken. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and see the ingredients first. 1 kg chicken, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 3 green chilies chopped fine, 1 tablespoon clarified butter, 1.5 tablespoon butter, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 50 ml cream, 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaf, salt to taste, 300 ml milk. First we'll slit the chicken pieces so that it marinates well. Like this, we'll slit all the pieces. Now in a bowl we'll put salt, half black pepper, lemon juice, half green chilies, yogurt and mix well. Now put all the chicken pieces and mix well and make sure that all the chicken pieces are coated well. Now cover it and keep it at least 1 hour for marination. In a pan, put butter and clarify butter. Now put ginger garlic paste and saute it for 2 minutes. Now add marinated chicken and saute it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now put remaining black pepper and green chilies and cover it and cook it at least for half an hour. Chicken has cooked well. Now add cream and milk, cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now add dried fenugreek leaves and cook it for 2 minutes. Now yummy cream chicken is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.